Good morning, everybody. It's like barely 4:30 in the morning. My cat, this little girl right here, thought that once Daddy left for work, it's a good idea to wake up Mommy, and then I should go to sleep. Meow. So that's my bathroom. Yeah. So I figured, you know what? Let me go ahead and share with you my updated desk, and I'll show you a little bit more of the rest of the room, but it's not done. Um, you're looking at the top of this part here, which is at the entrance. Since I can't go to sleep, I figured let me show you the room. It's clean right now. I don't think this changed. I just wanted to start here before I show you the rest. I'm gonna come down. I have been rearranging my desk. It's more of a planner desk, planner accessory desk, but I do craft here. The rest of my room is both crafting and planner related. But because I've been doing a lot more TNs and stuff, I wanted to have pretty much all my product for playing, accessible. So you've seen this before if you've been following me, this area here. I just changed things around as far as storage. I had to, hold on, let me come over here to my closet real quick. These right here that I made, these are Dollar Tree drawers. I have like 3 stacks of them. And they were working fine, but a while back they refinished my bathtub, which, as you can see, my bathroom's right here. And they used some kind of a spray to see it to kind of like a, whatever that stuff is called for bathtubs to refinish. But they had put fans and had, all the doors open and the windows open. And what happened is the fans blew all that overspray from that stuff, and it left a layer, a coating of this gritty, hazy stuff on anything that was in its path. So it came through, here. I have a window over there. So whatever was here, luckily I had put away some of the stuff. Got this overspray, and some of it came off, but on the plastic stuff, this is the new ones, it didn't, and it left a haze. So I've been wanting to change them out, and I was just going to get more of the Dollar Tree ones if they ever got it. But Target brought these out recently, so I actually like them better. It's shorter this way, so it takes up less space this way, but longer this way. And I was able to actually condense down to only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these. Before I had 15, I think, of the other ones. So I don't know how. I guess there is more space in these, even though they're thinner this way. And I didn't need to glue these together because they really do. See, they stay. They don't move around any which way. The Dollar Tree ones, they kind of moved around if you didn't stick them together somehow. So the other ones I had glued with E6000. So this is all planner related things, like paper clips and stuff like that. And I put it here. These little bins are from Hobby Lobby, so I just like to keep bins, to throw things in. So my speaker's back there, and there's one on the other side. And then over here, Hobby Lobby things. Right now, if they have any left, they are clearancing them out for 80% off. Hobby Lobby. Okay, so then, also Hobby Lobby basket. So all of these are Project Life cards, and some in here too, and the little sticker books from Michaels. This is a Target thing where I keep a lot of my washi that I use a lot, or often I should say. And then in here is my little sprocket, my little printer. And then up here, some of these items have it gifted to me, and of course I don't always remember who gave me what. This is from the giveaway challenge that I did, so I have that. I know that Tammy made this for me, so I'm hanging it here. And I'm going to be turning that. That was gifted to me. I'm going to turn that into a stick pin cushion soon, hopefully. I did have one more of these, but I didn't like all four. You know, I like the number 3 instead. I like odd numbers as far as decor, so I put one away. The bigger ones are from Dollar Tree. That's a cat mug from Walmart. Here's my camera that I use when I'm recording down here. I had to use this because it's too loose. I don't know what happened to it. Those are, what is this? Those are from IKEA. Whoops, what am I pointing at? There we go. These are from IKEA. And these are just all my tools that I use all the time for crafting and planning. Then down here is where I put back my TN. So these are the 3 traveler's notebooks that I have. 2 that I made, the B6 and a pocket size. And then this is store-bought. This is Webster's Pages standard size. Over here are 2 binders where I keep some of my stickers. And this one is from Dollar Tree. This one is from Target. Over here, this I bought a little whiles back from Michael's. It was 80% off at the time. I did have it on this side, but I moved it here now. And what's in here are some more Hobby Lobby little tins here that I just put stuff. Here's the stick pin that I'm going to be replacing with that other one that I showed you once it's done. These are little pouches from Michael's that they were clearancing out. It came with stuff like this one here had these stickers in it. So here are just some of the die cuts that I just share with you that I sell in my shop as digitals. And in here is just a tiny little planner kit of some things that I kind of go to when I need them. There's 3 photo books that are sticker books now, which I had put, my own paper and sticker on there. And the last one is empty. So they fit nicely in there, and I just wanted to keep my personal planner stickers here. So there's the other speaker. Then over here, this thing here that I had picked up a while back also, I think it was 70% off. At Michael's, I had pens that I use for the TNs that I sell, but I moved those, and I'll show you where they went. So inside now, there's actually empty drawers. There's actually 2 empty drawers, which is awesome. But I have like die cuts that were in those Dollar Tree things, and I put them in here. Some of these are tags, but I use them like die cuts. So that's what I'm using this for. It works better this way. And these come out, so I can just take it, to where I'm working. And then up here is a gifted tray that I'm using right now for items that I'm going to be using on my mermaid projects, which I also have more right here. None of this has changed. All that has stayed the same. How I'm using this area here now, again, I change my room constantly. I change my storage constantly. And now that I don't do as much crafting as I used to, but I do a lot more like printing and stuff like that for my TNs, I've rearranged this. So these 2 bins are from the Dollar Tree, and they got paper that I print on, and photo paper. And down here, what's back there? Okay. This is where I keep like some scraps, printed scraps and stuff like that, and some more stickers in here. My digitals that I printed, and save whatever's left over. My sheet protectors and laminating pouches. So everything that I need when I'm working with these machines here is here. I don't think this has changed. Yeah, it's a little bit. Right now it's kind of a catch-all for stuff. But I did put the little embellishment boxes that I've received. And yeah, just some embellishments mostly, and then that's just kind of like a catch-all drawer. This is for, again, my TNs, elastics. Oh, down here is that Michael's bag I found on clearance with my planner stuff, also mostly for my planning needs, not for the shop. But for the shop, it's over here. And since I did a big destash on flowers and laces, I also got to go over that too. Let me come back here. Sorry, I'm backtracking. All these little bins that are on the shelf that my husband put up are from Dollar Tree. And they consisted of like crochet doily pieces and fabrics and ruffles and all kinds of stuff. Coming down to here, this right here, all of this was mostly flowers. Actually, all of this was trim and then flowers. I emptied that out and I got rid of a lot of laces and fabrics and trims. They're all in here now. All my laces and trims are here. And then all my flowers are in here. That's it. I'm not spread out like I used to be. So now in here, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's shop related stuff. So things that I like to give, you know, I got to change these out. In the stuff that I sell, I like to give out freebies and stuff that I use, like notebooks and stuff for the shop. Stuff that I use to make my TNs. This one's a little full, but all the sticky notes and paper clips and all the extras that I use to put together my TNs, because I like to put them, oh, this is dusty. I like to make TNs that are ready to use. So then down here, this is just one of the TNs that's in the shop, but the rest are all TNs in the shop. And I started to put them in the sleeves now, just so they don't get dusty or, you know, whatever. So these are still in the shop, and I am planning, I have to go over this, but I am planning on these last ones that I made to put the what is that called? The border, the binding. I don't know what to call it. It's too early. It's like 4 something in the morning. So this is all shop related now. Up here, I cleared out. I had a lot of tchotchkes is what I call it, but I put these bins that I found at, I think it was TJ Maxx. These things I gotta put away. I haven't finished organizing. That's my husband and my doggy. My poor little boy. These I just recently picked up. I'm planning on leaving them that way. This bin, I'm gonna tell you, I got this at Target. My new die cutting machine, which is so lightweight and compact, I can just put it right there and it's gone. This shelf has changed, and inside some of those things are more planner related items. Then back here, let's go down. Here's my Rascog, and here's where I put all the pens that I put on TNs. Remember, I've been picking these up. They've been clearancing them out. Although I still need 2 more. I forgot that I needed even more, but I probably won't even find them. But this side is done. They hang nicely on a Rascog. And I like to keep these hooks from IKEA to hang things. Here's the other one. Back here, I have all these long sticker things. Sorry, I'm like way off. Okay, now this is going to change. I have still been working on this on and off. But these are some more containers from Hobby Lobby, and I put things that I use for the TNs. These are from Target, and in here, this is just, I don't know where to put these right now. These are all doilies, paper doilies. On the bottom is stickers. Up here is a mixture of things. But again, I'm still working on this. I had cleared out a whole bunch of these bins as well because I had 2 that had this kind of material. So now it's just 1. And this is still, you know, this, like right here, I have 1 that's empty, 1 that's not being utilized very well yet. And in here are my old TNs, whatever I keep. I do sell, you know, if I know I'm not going to use them again. Like the store-bought ones I've sold already. I don't keep things if I know I'm not going to use them, and I know that I can either make another one or replace it later on. I just don't want to keep everything, you know. I know I used to do that, but at this point in time in my life, there's no sense in keeping it all. Over here are all the vinyl that I recently got, and the rolls and the felts that I use for my TNs and for projects. This is just an assorted basket. This is fabric, felt, and then a little more felt, foam, and some more felt. So this is what's going on here. You might, if you've seen my room before, you might see things missing. I have packed away some stuff. My tree is gone. I no longer will be carrying my yearly Christmas tree. I probably won't be decorating much, if at all, for any holidays. What I want to do is just keep this open for projects. And you see, a lot of these things have been gifted to me, have been made for me. So I just want to leave that space for that. And there is still a project that I'm working on that I haven't started, but I've been collecting, and that's this one right here. That's going to be a little unicorn cake box. Something like this one that Janet and Natasha made for me. I still have it. And yeah, so I wanted to make one taller because the big dress form that I made a while back with wings, I'm gifting that to my girlfriend. I'm going to see her today. And yeah, I asked her if she had room for it because it's big. But as you can see, I really wanted to just display some of the items that have been given to me and some that I make. Like I altered this. That was gifted to me as well. But I really just wanted that space for that. And that's pretty much it for now. Again, I'm still working on things. I kind of cleaned this up because it was overflowing again. I try not to, you know, and I keep saying I'm not going to buy more stuff, but I do. So then I go and destash. But that's just, you know, that's the way it is. You can't keep from buying things because everything is so cute and pretty. All right. So I will, once I've changed anything more, I will come back and share it again. But so far, I like the way this is working out. I'm able to keep it clean and organized. As long as I see the stuff in front of me, I'll know where it's at. But the other stuff, I keep forgetting where I move things around because I do move things so often. So thank you all for watching me, and I'll see you guys next time.